Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M53 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers, and the first one requires a secret code and the second is using the settings. And of course I'll show you both, and I would like to begin with the secret code. So we have to open the dialer, the keypad actually, because this is the place where we can enter it, and the code is *06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK and let me get back in order to show you the other way to check those numbers, and it is using the settings as I said before, and it will be quite useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So all we have to do is to simply find the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and find About Phone, and as you can see we do not have to enter any other section because right here we've got the info we need. So here we've got the serial number and under it we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Samsung Galaxy M53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.